Today I'm here at the Backhaus Bakery in downtown San Mateo, and I have the privilege of sitting down with the owner, Anna, and talking to her about her amazing business. I just want to hear from you, where did all of this evolve?
Yeah, so we have been open here since June 2019, so this summer it's going to be 4 years.
Wow, congratulations!
Thank you.
It's exciting.
And before that we were doing farmers markets locally for 3 years, and it all started in our home kitchen.
Let's talk about the most amazing, yummy goodies that I get from your bakery when I come in.
Yeah.
How do you come up with this menu?
We try to definitely get inspired by the seasons, and it's something we want to focus on even more as we continue to grow and evolve. When we first started, most products, I would say, were based on things that were nostalgic to me. And I think that has kind of continued on, and now it's also being influenced very much by the team in the kitchen.
Let's talk a little bit about your coffee. What sets you apart from some of the other coffee shops and restaurants in the area?
So we exclusively use beans from San Francisco roaster Ritual Coffee. They are wonderful. It's a women-owned business as well, and they just roast fantastic beans.